How to connect Exness to TradingView. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of connecting Exness to the TradingView. So while the Exness cannot be directly connected to the TradingView, there are two alternative options to consider. The first option is the Exness terminal, a web-based trading platform shown on the screen, which integrates the charting powered by the TradingView. Although you cannot trade directly within the TradingView using this terminal, it functions similarly with the shared features such as the technical indicators and drawings. The second option is to engage in the paper trading on the TradingView, which allows you to simulate the trades using the virtual funds to practice the trading strategies, while connecting Exness with the TradingView is not feasible. So utilizing the Exness terminal provides a viable option. So this was all about it. Your feedback is appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.